everybody, it's Lisa from Joyfully Art. Hope everybody's doing good. I'm here to make another video for you. First off, let me show you the one from last time. It was my minimal one, just two colors, the metallic green and metallic silver. Didn't show up real good, the silver didn't. It's not real bright against the bright green, but still turned out pretty. You just can't see it real well. So I don't know if this is a keeper or not. So let me know what you think. Okay, there's that one. Today I'm working on this 14 by 14 canvas from Michaels. And I have my long spouted cup, which I'm going to fill with some colors that I already have mixed up. And they'll be listed in the description box below the video. I'm not sure exact names since they're already mixed up, but I'm going to be pouring in here and doing a ring pour and with cloud mixture. So hopefully it'll turn out. I haven't done a cloud mixture on this big of a canvas before, 14 by 14. So let's get started. I know this is, I've got it wrote on the cup, but I can't read my own writing. It's espresso. So we'll just pour it down the side. And this is my cloud mixture here. Going to do a little bit of it after each couple layers. I do have the metallic green that was on my other painting from last time, which is really pretty. I have 14 karat gold. Let's see if I could read this on, might not even be on the cup. Nope, this one's not on the cup. It's a blue, and I will find out what it is, and I will get it down in the link in my description. More cloud mixture. And this is a different color blue, a lighter blue. I'm not sure what this is. Don't know if I'm going to put that in there. I think that's a mixture of different stuff, so I don't want that in there. And I don't think I want any more of the bronze in there either. So we'll stop with the bronze, or the espresso. Some more gold. More of the metallic green. More cloud mixture. That does away with that one. I think this is probably enough paint. And just for the heck of it, I said I wasn't going to, but for the heck of it, I'll top it off with just a little bit of the espresso. Okay. Now let's see what we can do. Are we ready? I'll go from up high. Hope you can see. Down a little bit lower as it comes to the end. we go. Put that aside. Okay, my torch. Looks kind of pretty. Hope we get some clouds out of it. Give it a quick torch. I'm always knocking something over. All right. Make sure you're still in frame. I don't know if I want to put a flow extender down or not. Let's see how we roll here. To center. Let's try going down this way. Okay, we got one more corner to get. This will probably be a short video. I haven't been feeling great since Monday. This video will be out on the 19th. So hopefully by then I will be feeling better. Let's see. Espresso stayed right in the middle. Let's see what it looks like. Can't seem to get that covered over there. Spot right here needs to be. See if I can take it this way a little bit more. Hopefully we'll get some clouds forming before long. Hopefully it didn't tip it all off. That's the problem you got to watch out for. Get my hands wiped off. Won't get my torch all yucky. Done that plenty of times. Okay, there's that. Well, if I can get my torch to work. There we go. Then I have to get a new torch. I see something in my paint. If I can remember where it was at. My goodness. I think that was it. You never know what's gonna come out of there. Come out of there. All right. Well, maybe some clouds will form. Sits for a while. My sides covered. I like the composition. You can see the lines in it. I think some clouds are coming up through here and right along in here everywhere. Give you a close-up. You can see some of the clouds starting to form. There we are. I want to thank you all for watching. Subscribe, please, if you haven't already. Share with your family and friends. I would really appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up. It helps with my placement with YouTube. Leave me any comments that you have. I do commission work right here at the holidays coming up. And I'm doing free shipping for the holidays. So anything that you would like to send for the holidays is free shipping. And I will even gift wrap for you if you so desire. So have a look at my Etsy store, and anything you want is free shipping, and I'll gift wrap it for you. That's the United States only, I'm sorry to say. So just let me know. And that's about it for today. Get my nasty gloves off here. So everybody, as always, please have a great day.